Hi guys, welcome to my channel Pencil Drawing and 3D Art for Beginners, and in today's video I'm going to tell you the tools that I use for my pencil drawing, so stay tuned. Hi, so this is an HNB toolkit which I use for my pencil drawing. Let's check it out. Toolkit is very useful. I bought this kit on Amazon. As you can see, it contains graphite pencil from 8B onwards to 5H, and these pencils are very useful and are recommended for beginners. Followed by graphite pencils, here are charcoal pencils. As you can see, the difference between charcoal and the graphite pencil is that these charcoal pencils are very soft and their shade is even darker than the 8B or 10B pencils. And one more difference is that it's when you use it for shading, it's very difficult to erase. It leaves behind the mark. So when you use it, kindly use it for shading, but be careful with that. Well, this set comes with two types of sharpener. This one is a metal sharpener and it comes with two openings. One can be used for sharpening the lead while the other can be used for sharpening the wood. And this comes in very handy and it's very useful. Other is a common sharpener that we use in our schools. So this is nothing special. Now coming on to tools over here. Well, this is what I call as a small knife. This is used for sharpening the lead. One should be very careful while using this because it's very sharp and you should avoid those edges. Well, this is a pencil extender. You can use it when your pencil gets shorter in length and it gets difficult for you to hold it. You can put it inside here and tighten from this here, and it gets very convenient to use it when you have your pencil gets extended. So it's a nice tool. Now these three are called paper stumps, or what we call as blending tools. These are generally used when we are shading with pencils and we want the grains to be more smooth. So we can use these stumps to blend in. Some people generally use tissue paper or even use their fingers, but I recommend these stumps are very useful to give your shade a very nice look. So these three are of different lengths. You can use it as per your convenience. Now these two are erasers. This is a common rubber eraser which we use in our schools, and it also comes in very handy, but when you are doing pencil drawing, I would recommend you to use a kneaded eraser. As you can see, I use Faber-Castell's kneadable eraser, as it's very handy, as well as it can be molded into very different shapes that could be very useful for you. And the best difference between this and this eraser is that when you use this one, it leaves behind residues and what we call as dust, whereas when you use kneadable eraser, there is hardly any dust and it prevents any smudging of your drawing on the paper. Well, these are graphite lead, the core part. The difference between these pencils and this is that they are inside the wood, whereas this is the core part. It comes in three varieties called soft, medium and a hard, which we can generally use for shading. Similar to graphite, this is a charcoal lead. They are very soft and they are inside this packing because it's very easy to break them. And the purpose is similar. If you want to use it for shading, you can use this as well. And finally, this is a sandpaper. It can be used to sharpen your pencil, as well as you can use it to clean or to sharpen your paper stump as well. And your kneaded eraser, when it gets very smudged with lead, it can be used to clean the part. So this is a multi-purpose tool. So here is the look of the toolkit again. As you can see, it is a complete set. It comes with pencils, graphite pencils, charcoal pencils, and here this is your small knife. It can be used to sharpen your pencils as well as your paper stump. Here it is a pencil extender. You can use it when your pencil gets very short and it's very difficult for you to hold it. These are paper stump used for blending, or we call them as blending tool. These are different types of erasers. Here are core lead, graphite. This is one. These three are graphites. This is charcoal, and finally this is our sandpaper. So this is the complete toolkit set which I bought on Amazon website. It's from H&B. So this toolkit is very handy, and it comes with all the thing that is required by a beginner for pencil drawings. I bought this at around 1600 rupees or close to $23. Well, apart from the toolkit, it also contains a product manual where you can find the description of all the product that we have in this kit. So this is very useful for beginners, where they can see and know the significance and uses of different items here. So I recommend this for beginners to have a look. And apart from that, it also consists of a free sketchbook. It has 16 sheets, and you can, though it's very small in size, you can use it for, as a beginner, you can use it to practice your drawing over here. It's a nice kit. Now, apart from that, I also use this Faber-Castell's pigment pen. It comes with 4 types of pigment pen, and these are waterproof. These are permanent marker. They do not smudge your drawing. They do not spread on the paper. So I use this to highlight the boundaries or the borders of my drawing, as it gives a very nice outline and look. I bought this also on Amazon, and it costed me around 400 rupees. That would be close to your $5 or $5.50. So thanks a lot guys for watching my video. If you really liked it, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting more such videos for you. Thank you and have a nice day.